Hey guys, up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm playing this app called Fidget Spinners. So yeah, got lots of cash, but I have no idea what I do with that money. I have no idea. The music sounds pretty cool though. Okay, I'll collect that. What's that? Spinner speeder? Oh, that's what the money's for. Gosh, yeah, I'll get that. Restless earn 1 coin when offline. Max 24. Just get that, and then I'll just get that. Okay, it should spin good now. Okay, I'll collect that. It'll do good spins. Okay, let's see how long this will spin. Okay, just keep on spinning my fidget spinner because I want a lot of gold or whatever that is, so I can so I can get a lot of cash. Level up, yay! Oh, this looks cool. This is Fidget Spinners. Looks pretty cool. I'll just press X. Yeah, collect that. Okay. It's kind of loud. Come on, keep spinning. 56 coins. Cool. Okay. This is spinning for quite a while. Come on. Get at least a 30. Dang it. Okay. Wow. Yeah, this app is pretty cool. Come on. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna level this up so I can get the next fidget spinner. If this was my fidget spinner in real life, I would hate it. Because if it was in real life, it would like be the worst fidget spinner ever. How much? It's 640 to upgrade that and 540 to upgrade that. I can't upgrade. No, I don't want to quit the game. Come on, keep going. One more spin. It's a new best. Seriously? I thought that was the worst spin. It wasn't. Keep on going. New best, yes. That's how you spin. Okay, collect all that cash. And I'll end the video here. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.